In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel subscribe widget and embed it on any page of your site. I will also go one step further and show you how to add the widget under every YouTube video that you put on your pages. Let's get started. Go to the YouTube Embed channel page by clicking on the link in the description below. You will be asked to enter your channel name or ID. I recommend adding the channel ID to avoid any conflicts between similar channel names. If you don't know your channel ID, click on this link. You will see the user ID and channel ID. Copy the channel ID. Go back to the widget embed page and paste it in the channel ID field. Select the layout, theme, and if you want to show the subscriber count. Next, copy the code and go to your WordPress admin. I'm going to add this in my widgets. Custom HTML, paste it, save. Now let's reload the page. As you can see, the YouTube subscribe widget appears in my sidebar. You can add this widget on any page of your site. Now I'm going to show you how to add this widget under every YouTube video that you embed in your post or pages. To do that, scroll to the bottom of this tutorial and copy this code. Go back to your WordPress admin. Click on Theme Editor. On the right hand side, you will see a list of files. Click on the theme function file and paste this code at the bottom of the file. Click on Save. And now let's go to a post that has a YouTube video. This widget will appear under every YouTube video that you embed in your post or pages. That's it. That's how you embed YouTube subscribe widget on your website. Thank you for watching.